In the world, there are many businesses. Each one differs from other. Mainly in IT sector, we can see lots of innovative product development firms. Airo Global Software is one of the emerging and leading solution providers in the world. Our history starts from 2008. We help other businesses to grow smoothly by giving right insight to customers with development, support, maintenance and consultation. We integrate to e-commerce third-party applications, cloud infrastructure and applications to make data flows from business to business to build better user experience and perfect automation.
If I say about our expertise, Airo Global Software, having highly skilled and experienced team to realize your idea into global markets. We think beyond the future. Come to us.
Our major advantages as follows: faster turnaround time, highly experienced global team, the availability of everything to make a solution from zero to success, excellent customer support, very secure infrastructure, economic in cost. We are continuing for making success. Make a deal with us. Visit airoglobal.com.